guys, and welcome back to the Budget Pro. In today's episode, we are gonna have a little surprise for the Nissan D21. We're going to the junkyard so we can get some tires to mount it on the wheels that I already have for a couple of months, and haven't been able to get tires just because of one thing after another. But today I'm basically in the mission of trying to get some tires so I can put on some 15 by 10. So like I said, stay with me and let's go look for those tires. These are the wheels. There are 50 by 10, 2-piece, and like you guys are seeing, they're rough. The edges are really damaged. Painted. This one is the better one. I mean, some looks a little bit shinier, but still, like, it has some damage on the lid. I'm probably gonna start sanding the edge since they don't have tires right now. Okay, I already sand all the edges. They're a little bit better. I mean, they're not gonna be perfect, but I really don't mind since the condition of the wheels is not brand new condition. So what are we gonna do right now is attempting to install those tires. And wish me luck with that. Okay guys, I already tried it probably 3 times, 4 times, and I guess it's not working out for me. I don't know if I don't put in enough of starting fluid on it, or does it have to be with brake cleaner or something like that, but it's not like popping it up all the way. I mean, it's a big gap, and the tire is definitely going to be like a stretch. So I'm probably gonna put them on the wheel just like that one, and I'm gonna take them to the tire shop and so they can blow air with the cheetah with the compressed air.
Para que se enseñe, raza, dile, ¿verdad? Para que se enseñe la raza. Y que no agarre la güey de esta.
No me dejes sin vergüenza. Dale. Dame la manguera.
¿Qué pedo?
No hay que preguntar.
No te dejas vergüenza.
La experiencia. tengas pendiente. like 2 inches, 3 inches almost. But I want you guys to check that on the side. I already put the wheels, I already tried the truck, and everything is running really smooth. These wheels are even lighter than the other 14 inch that he had. And as you guys can see, this is how the truck looks right now. Definitely it's gonna need polishing on the wheels, but I like the poking out wider look on the tires. Right now I just wanted to see like how everything is gonna look on the truck, but like I said, definitely they're gonna need a polish. I'm gonna take it off right now, and then I'm gonna be polishing one by one, because there are gonna be a little bit of a pain in the ass to polish them with all those rivets. There you go, guys. I wanted to show you the way that this little truck looks right now after the wheels, after a little cleanup, and after all the things that I've done to it just to make it look better and bring it back to life. And there you go. Remember everything that we've been doing to it, and plus a lot of more things that have been getting broken from it. But this is the way that it looks right now. Still need to do a lot of work in the inside, like the panels, the door panels. But I'm really happy. I'm really happy the way it looks right now. You guys can see how much are they poking out. But these are like 3-piece wheels, center lines, and it's nice. Looks really nice.
I'ma stay in power for a long time. Got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come